Hello everybody! Today I want to introduce all of you to the American Young Adult Library Services Association, or YALSA for short. I remember it because it looks like salsa, but with a Y as the first letter. YALSA is a branch of the American Library Association, or ALA, that focuses on teen and young adult literature. Specifically, I want to show all of you how to access the YALSA book lists so that you can find high quality, hopefully interesting, books for teens and young adults. If you're a teen or young adult, this could be a great way to find your next book. Let's head on over to the YALSA page. To make it simple, I'm going to search for it in Google. You can access YALSA through the ALA website, but I find that it's easier just to jump directly there. Once you're on the YALSA page, we're going to look at the Awards and Grants tab on the top banner. Go ahead and click on that link. Then, click on the Book and Media lists. On this page, I can view award winners for 2023 at the very top. I can also scroll down to view more lists. For right now, I'm going to ignore the Awards and Grants sidebar on the left-hand side. While this is a valuable resource, I want to look at everything else in the middle first. This shows us current and past book and media lists. I'm going to click on the Teens Top 10 list. I recommend using right-click, open a new tab, so that you can easily open multiple tabs at once and jump back and forth between them. Once you're on the Teens Top 10 page, you can see the top 10 winners for the category as well as 25 nominees. You can view previous lists from past years. The website is easy to browse and provides many titles, making it easy to add new titles to your to-read list. I recommend scrolling up and down and playing with different websites or different links to just see all the titles that YALSA has to offer. I'm going to click on the 2015 list on the Teens Top 10 page first. Here, we can see that past years have YouTube videos that introduce the winners linked at the top of the page. I won't open that browser right now, but feel free to check it out yourself. You can repeat this process for any of the lists that catch your attention. Please note that inactive lists will give you a 403 warning, so not all the links are up to date. I also quickly want to show you the database that can help you find any book titles. I found this link on the graphic novel list on the primary book lists page. So now you know how to find the YALSA book lists and navigate the book lists page in an easy way. Keep on reading, friends.